Right, so welcome back to another unboxing, and today we have the CVJ CS8. Again, you guys requested this one and I have it in the studio and I'm gonna take a look at it first here in this unboxing. Of course, full review will be in the zpoltunboxing channel. So this seems to be like a 4-driver per side system. It's my first time checking out CVJ, so I'm not sure what to expect. So let's unbox it now. It's actually in the box. It's a different kind of box compared to your usual Chi-Fi. It's a different texture, so that's nice. CVJ, an auditory revolution moves at will, and black in color. CS8 black, excited blue and black brown. So maybe you have several colors. 3.5mm jack, 1.28 meter cable length. Without mic and sensitivity 105 dB and 7 to 40k hertz in terms of the frequency range, and the frequency range is much like your ZSN Pro, so this might be extended on top. Are you ready for the unboxing experience? Oh, look at that, guys. That's a different kind of shape. An auditory revolution moves at will, and you have your tips right off the bat, and different kind of shape overall, which is nice. I do like to see different shapes because just to have some change in my unboxings. Of course, inside you're getting pouch, kind of a suede kind of pouch, which is nice, and you're getting cable, and the cable actually is pretty cool. Actually, this has the mic version, and I do like the shine in this one. Kind of looks cool. And this is one of the few Chi-Fis with the play, pause, and the up and down button, which is nice. So they might have designed this for mobile use for sure. And they have a strap as well, and of course you also have your preform ear hooks, and you have a 2-pin connector as well. And at the plug is your straight plug, and not a lot in the box. Of course, you have some manuals as well. So let's look at the IEM itself, and yeah, it's really looks pretty cool. I do like the the unique kind of look. It's more streamlined kind of look, but the shape looks to be like your safe of kind of shape, your kind of custom IEM kind of design kind of shape, which is cool. Look at that, guys. That's a looker for me. I do like the finish in the side, metal and build with some plastic, and look at this, guys. It has some fins, which is something that I really like, and this might fit really well in the ear. It's kind of streamlined, kind of a minimalist kind of look as well. It doesn't have the aggressive ridges at the side. I do like I'm digging the look so far, and that's small also, so this might be really comfortable in the ear. So the tips comes with your sporty kind of tip, much like your TRNs, of course, 2-pin connector, and it comes with the usual 2-pin connector. And as you can see, guys, from the inside, actually I cannot see the inside that much, but you can see maybe a slight glimpse of the BAs right there. And it says also at the side 8-unit hybrid driver. So this is a hybrid configuration. You have dynamic driver, and also you have a balanced armature, and of course tips comes with your sporty tips as well. So let's put the cable in and have a first wear and give you guys my impressions in how this wears on the ear. Alright, so on the ear, it's actually really stable. One of the more stable IEMs for sure. So the fins really helps out and make it really stable on the ear. I would say definitely better compared to your usual KZSN Pros or ST1s without the fins. This is really stable and really snug on the ear. So comfort is I would say not as good as your more breathable IEMs, because this does feel snug in the ear, but that's not so bad overall. I can definitely listen to this for a long listening session, but I do like the stability. So even if you do some extraneous activities, you could definitely use this one. Sealing is pretty good also, above average I'd say, and yeah, really good fit overall. I don't have a major issue, and because it's small in the ear, it does feel light on the ear. It's not that suffocating to wear on the ear. So let's try to have a first listen in this one. Let's listen to some tracks. So really excited, 4 drivers per side. I didn't review that many 4 drivers per side here in this channel. So let's try some Queen. Another one bites the dust. Right off the bat, the detail retrieval is definitely pronounced in the mix. It's definitely a musical type of listen. And yeah, given that there's a lot of BAs here, it's more on the clean side of presentation. Definitely there's a shimmer on top as well. It's well extended on top. And the soundstage is pretty good in this one. Separation is also pretty good. Let's try another track. How about some Bed of Roses, Bon Jovi? That's that smoothness at the bottom because of that dynamic driver. And the bass is not that overpowering in the mix. Let's try another track. How about some Change the World, Eric Clapton? Yeah, separation is pretty good in this one. It's really pronounced and the soundstage is really good also. So really surprising how good the separation is. It's not a bassy IEM by any means, but the bass is enough in the mix. Really lively sounding with the shimmer on top, but this more in the BA kind of sound for sure. How about some Forsaken, Dream Theater? This does remind me of the ZSN Pro X in a way. That's my initial impressions. So for the CS8, yeah, definitely this more of an audiophile kind of tuning. This is not your bassy IEM, but that hybrid configuration that definitely helped out in making this more fun to listen to. The bass goes pretty deep, but it's not your bassy IEM, and detail retrieval is really pronounced in the mix. And yeah, separation really good in this one. So yes, that's my initial look at the CS8. Of course, full review will be in the zpol channel. Hopefully you learned something. Of course, if you did, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Full review and of course the sound test would be live in the zpol channel for sure. So stay tuned for that and subscribe there as well. And of course, if you want to get one of these, use my links down in the comments below. It will help out the channel a lot, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpol unboxing. Goodbye.